Hey there, gamers! Today, we're diving into the world of the KLIM Chroma wireless gaming keyboard, a powerhouse of features designed to elevate your gaming experience. With instant connectivity, just plug in the USB receiver and you're ready to go, enjoying seamless performance from up to 30 feet away without the hassle of installing drivers. Say goodbye to disposable batteries, as this keyboard boasts a long-lasting, built-in rechargeable battery, saving you money and reducing environmental waste. The stunning rainbow backlighting offers both static and breathing modes, adding a vibrant touch to your setup, although the colors aren't customizable. Its membrane keys are engineered for speed, with a short travel distance that enhances your typing efficiency, rivaling the performance of wired keyboards. Built to last, the keyboard's durable ABS plastic frame and uniquely coated keycaps ensure it stays in top condition for years, backed by an unbeatable 5-year warranty and 24/7 support. So, if you're looking for a reliable, eco-friendly, and visually striking addition to your gaming arsenal, the KLIM Chroma is your go-to choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.